Good morning, my YouTube fam, y'all. The AIA Beauty Bundle is in for the month of October, and you guys, it has collabed with a Pley beauty company, cosmetics, whatever you want to call it. It's called Pley. And you guys, they did a collab with CobraKai, one of my most favorite shows on this planet, from Karate Kid back in the day all the way up to CobraKai, which actually has new episodes out right now, and I'm very excited to share it with y'all. So y'all know what to do. I'll see you in a minute. All right, you guys, good morning. Welcome to our new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, make sure and hit that subscribe button and give us a like after this video or during it, whichever you choose. Leave me a comment. What is your favorite episodes between Karate Kid and CobraKai? I absolutely love it. I used to take Taekwondo back when I was younger, and then my brother John became a Green Beret, and he trained me in combat training. And then my father is an avid hunter and gunsman and sharpshooter, so I've been trained in that also. Y'all, self-defense, discipline is a big key in my life. So when I seen that Karate Kid was turning into CobraKai, oh yeah, your girl was there for it. Now, let's do this. AIA Beauty Bundle is $38 monthly now. For every bundle box that they sell, they donate $1 to City of Hope for cancer research. I am a cancer survivor, so that is always very near and dear to me when people want to contribute to helping, I don't know, you guys, try to put the curve on the killer of cancer. It's very big in our family and, very near to me because I survived it, thankfully, but, a lot of people don't. So any help that we can get, we greatly appreciate it. Let's get into the fun now. AIA Beauty Bundle again for the month of October. CobraKai from Aiabeauty. Y'all, I'm so excited for this one. So, yes, I use the makeup, and I'll show me using the makeup and all that good stuff during this video. First thing that I'm going to do is start showing you these products, and then I'll show you how I did this beautiful makeup look. You can go much darker with it. You guys, I don't do dark makeup. I'm not going to keep changing myself to adjust myself to a couple viewers, or I will do certain request videos, but everyday wear is what I do. It fits in my life, and I love it. I do. It looks good on me. Doing dark, elaborate looks doesn't look so good on me. So this is what I got for you. I love this, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. Not only because of the theme, but the makeup was quality, and I loved it. Okay, first thing I want to show you is this energizing mist. Now, there is a very light scent to it, and it goes for $24. Now, a refresh and refined skincare spray is what it says. It was very, very dewy. It was, it's a prep, like a primer. It's not sticky or anything of that matter. It's just very dewy and very hydrating from what I got. It has green tea, hyaluronic acid, ginseng, and rice water, which is actually really good for your hair. So yeah, your girl went all over with it and got it in my hair. I love this stuff. It was great. Great, great, great. Next thing we have, I'm going to go ahead and do it. This is $38, you guys. This is the palette. Now, Pley makeup is recyclable, and I do love this. When you're done with this palette, you see that little notch right there? You put your finger in there, and this comes out. Look at the back of that. Isn't that adorable? It says, be creative, reduce waste, reuse stuff, recycle this. After you're done with this, you can actually use it for like a little earring box or bracelet box, just little trinkets. It's actually pretty deep. It's deep enough to put some big hoops in and several necklaces or what have you. You could use it for traveling, to put it in your suitcase. Yes, I love that very much, and anything to help take care of our planet, I am there for. All right, again, this palette is worth $38. Look at that. Love it. Next thing we have here, this is their Sweep the Cheek. Strike first, strike hard, no mercy. This is a highlighter. And you guys, it is a very beautiful, natural glow. Like, I do have it on, and you'll see me use it in the video. This would be something I would use every day. Absolutely every day. It is a natural highlighter worth $22. it's creamy. It is easy to apply. On the go stick formula, which is amazing. It's conditioning. It was hydrating a lot, really. It has vitamin C and E in it. Formulated clean in the U.S. Pley Beauty, you guys. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Next thing we have here is their lip tint. And you guys, this packaging is just everything. Look, it has the cobra. And then look at that design. Isn't that just gorgeous? Now, this is a red tint. Now, guys, it has some type of little sparkle in it. I don't know if you can see. I'll do a swatch on my hand. This is going in at $22. Let's do that. It has some type of little glitter in it. Like, it's just barely there, but you know it's there when you go to apply it. This is a hydrating lip tint. It does not say what's in it. The shade is called Cherry Blossom. Now, you guys, I was supposed to receive some stickers. It says, strike first with bold liner shapes or get playful with studs using the limited edition reusable face and body gems inspired by the hit TV series CobraKai. Now, if I would have received those, I would have done a more elaborate artistic look for you. It even has some type of liner stickers in it right down here. This was supposed to be our surprise gift, and I didn't get it. I did email AIA Beauty, and I sent them a message on Instagram, and I haven't gotten any response, you guys, so it is what it is. Those stickers would have been worth $18. Okay, guys, that is it. Besides this, look at this. Isn't that adorable? So these are just really thick straps like a belt would be, a karate taekwondo belt. You can use this for a makeup bag or just a little tiny shoulder bag. I mean, that's what it is. That's what you got. It even has the lines in them like your belts do. Look at that. And then it does have the CobraKai emblem on it. Yes, we're already linty. And then it has this satin type of inside material pocket. And that is it. Now, they're saying that this bag goes for $42. I am a CobraKai lover, but I would never pay $42 for this. Not going to happen. Nope, nope, nope. But it is adorable. It is. I'm going to go ahead and tie this back up and then set it to the side for you guys. Now, AIA Beauty Bundle, I've been with them for quite a while. They do collabs with indie brands, which, you know, really, really do help the indie brands out. They have been around for a long, 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 long time. They did raise the prices. They did go from bi-monthly to monthly. They do hair care, skin care, makeup. I mean, they do a lot of different collaborations, you guys. But the big thing about them is they do it with one brand each month, and you get 5 items from that brand. So you get to try them out very, very well. All right, loves, that is all for the AIA Beauty Bundle. For those that like to watch me do the makeup look, that's going to be the next part of this video. Your girl's going to go. I did enjoy PLEY, Pley Beauty, a lot. A lot. I really love that they are recyclable, that they are made in the United States, which we greatly appreciate. Love that very much. No complaints about it. Wish I would have got my stickers, AIA. That would have been great. But we didn't, so it is what it is. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and play how I did the makeup look for you. Your girl's going to go, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.